Every bag of Lay's potato chips begins far from supermarket shelves.
Deep beneath American farmland, where thousands of potatoes are harvested every single day.
Those potatoes are loaded immediately onto trucks, headed for one destination.
A giant automated manufacturing plant built to produce millions of chips with incredible precision.
The moment the potatoes arrive, the factory process begins without stopping for a second. Every batch is inspected carefully because even small imperfections can affect the final product. After inspection, the potatoes move through powerful industrial washing systems,
where dirt, dust, and debris are completely removed before production continues.
Next comes peeling, a fully automated stage designed to process huge volumes in minutes. From there, the potatoes enter one of the most important machines in the entire factory.
The slicers, where every potato is cut into perfectly thin pieces with microscopic precision.
Because if the slices are even slightly too thick or too thin, the texture completely changes.
Once sliced, the potatoes travel deeper into the factory toward the hottest area of the facility, the industrial fryer, where raw slices begin transforming into golden potato chips.
Inside oil heated to nearly 375 degrees Fahrenheit, the cooking happens incredibly fast.
And throughout the entire process, operators constantly monitor temperature, oil flow, and conveyor speed.
Within just a few minutes, pale potato slices emerge as crispy golden Lay's chips. But the manufacturing process still isn't finished because flavor comes next. Inside rotating seasoning drums, every chip receives an even coating of seasoning.
And while the classic version uses simple salt, factories around the world create dozens of unique flavors. Some of those flavors take months or even years of research before reaching production lines. Before packaging begins, every batch passes through advanced quality control systems,
where factories test color, thickness, moisture levels, and overall consistency.
And despite all the technology, human taste testing still remains part of the process.
Once approved, the chips move toward one of the fastest areas inside the entire factory.
The packaging line, where machines fill and seal hundreds of bags every single minute.
And surprisingly, those bags aren't filled with ordinary air, but with protective nitrogen gas,
which helps keep the chips fresh while protecting them during transportation. After sealing, robotic systems organize thousands of finished bags for shipping. And from this point forward, speed becomes the factory's biggest priority.
because within just a few days, these chips will appear in stores across the country. Most customers never realize how much engineering and automation exist behind a single bag of chips.
But every stage of production is carefully designed to deliver the same taste every single time.
From potato farms to high-speed factories, the entire system works together with incredible precision.
And after days of non-stop manufacturing, the final product finally reaches the customer.
A simple crunch that represents millions of potatoes, massive machines, and non-stop production. An industrial process operating every hour of every day to produce one of the world's most recognizable snacks. This is the incredible world inside Lay's Snak Manufacturing.